Hey, this is Miles with SellerAmp, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to find your first winning profitable Amazon online arbitrage product as a complete beginner from scratch. So make sure to stick around through this entire video. We're going to show you everything you need to know, the strategy to find products, what a good product looks like, how to analyze them, everything like that. So let's get right into it. So we're here inside my screen, and to start off, I want to break down what a winning product actually looks like with online arbitrage. So got SellerAmp right up here. So what SellerAmp actually allows us to do is see how fast a product sells. Looking over here on the Chrome extension, we can see the BSR. So you want to be doing products that are in the top 1% of their category right here, and typically below 100,000 sales rank for the most part consistently. The way you can see what the sales rank is over time is by scrolling down here on SellerAmp, and you can see over time what the sales rank is by looking at the Keep It chart right here, so we can see the price action and everything like that. So scrolling up here to the top, we can see the profit calculator on SellerAmp. For this to be profitable, we need to pay $23 or less with our max cost right here. So my minimum ROI is 25%. Therefore, to get a 25% ROI, if we put in on the calculator 2383, we would have right about 25% right there. So I mainly want to be above 30%. Right, and this factors in shipping costs, shipping to Amazon, shipping from the retailer, product cost, sales tax, Amazon fees, everything like that, right? So we just went ahead and Googled this with SellerAmp, and we can see over on the Thrive Cosmetics website, it's $24, right? So we can pay 24 bucks right here, right? So at a $24 cost, that puts us right below our target profit, which would honestly still be fine for a beauty product. However, on Capital One Shopping, which is one of the free coupon extensions you guys want to be using for online arbitrage, along with Be Frugal and Rakuten, right here, we can see we have some discount codes right here, right? And one of these gives us 20%, right? So therefore, we have $24, and then we want to go ahead here and take off 20% right here. So if we take off 20%, which we can do in SellerAmp just by multiplying by 0.8 right here, now we took this product from about a 28% ROI to about a 56% ROI. And that's the beautiful thing about online arbitrage is we can utilize coupon codes and discounts and sales. For example, Prime Day is coming up in, I believe it's October 10th to 11th. So there's going to be a ton of competing deals going on with Prime Day going on because a lot of retailers are going to try to compete with them, right? So this is an example of a nice winning product right here that we can buy for $19.20, sell on Amazon for $41, and then after shipping fees, product cost, Amazon fees, everything, we're left with about $11 in net profit right here. And now, how do we actually go ahead and find this? So the best strategy to find products as a beginner is called reverse sourcing right here. So reverse sourcing allows us to scroll down right here, and then we can go ahead and open up the storefronts of other sellers to take a look inside their catalog and see all the different products that they're selling. Right? So for example, we can open up a bunch of sellers that are carrying this product right here. I like opening up FBA and FBM sellers right here. Right? So we can open up, and now within SellerAmp, we can see all the different brands, categories, and different products these sellers are carrying right here. So what we can do is we can utilize this as a key to go out and find further winning products. Right here. So for example, we can see these pants, right? Remember guys, we want to stay under 100,000 rank. These fit our velocity criteria. These fit our velocity criteria, right? So what we want to do is scroll through these different sellers and find quick selling products that they carry and go out and look for these products at profitable prices. Right here. So for example, we can see this is a 14K rank. This is a 15K rank. Our max cost is about $11. I think I could go ahead and find this. It's going to take a lot of experimentation when you're new to kind of figure out your favorite brands, categories, etc. Right here, we can open up 15K rank right here. We can open up a 14K rank right here, 21K rank right here, right? So you want to just go through a lot of seller storefronts, and you're not going to recognize some of these brands when you know. It's completely fine and normal, right? Over time. You go into, personally, I like to stick to big brands like Nike, Adidas, Converse, stuff like that. However, some people like smaller brands as well. Luckily, the strategies work for both. Right here now, what we can do is we can see. So this is $20 right here. So for this to be profitable, 2264, plug in that buy box right now, we need to pay pretty much $12 or less. Whereas we can go ahead and Google this product with SellerAmp right here. And then let's see. So Rise Mineral Toothpaste right here. So this is $12. Wild Mint right here. Okay. So let's see. It looks like they got these on this website at 12 bucks right here. And we have a 10% coupon right here, right? So we got to make sure this is the right thing, which I think it is. 4 ounce right here. Yeah, 4 ounce. Cool. Okay, so right here. So this is $12, right? And then most websites do free shipping. And then we take off that 10% right here. So now, right, this leaves us about $3.50 net profit And this product sells really quick because it's a 15K BSR right here. And then all we need to do from here is we can see this is actually pretty high competition right here. But what we want to do is scroll down on the Keep It chart, and we can see that this product is actually going up in price compared to where it was a few days ago. Right here, and we can see the buy box hanging out right around like 23. And this sells incredibly quick because we can see too that the demand is dropping as well. The sales rank's going down. Right here, so the lower the sales rank, the faster a product sells. Right, so at a 15K rank, about $3.50 profit per. That's not a bad product whatsoever. And we found that just from opening up the storefronts of other sellers on this listing. Right here, right, so that looks fine. Right here, let's see, native right here. So this is a 2-pack of this 3-ounce deodorant basically right here. So let's see, so at 26, right, we need to pay $12.50 or less. Now if that's going to be possible, we can find out. Right here, let's see. So this is, so it's 13 on native. I know I can get a 20% code on native, so let's plug this in. If we pay 26 for a 2-pack right here, take off 20% right there because we have that 20% discount. Now we lose $5 profit, so that is absolutely not good. Let's move on to this next one here. So we can see this is buy boxing at 15 right here, and we can see this actually has the generic brand alert on SellerAmp, so we definitely want to avoid that. If you guys see the generic brand issues, I would recommend definitely not selling that, unfortunately. Hey, let's see. So the 3-pack of these at $67 right here. We can see the brand is on it. However, there are, as I can see right here, there are 28 third-party sellers though right here, and we can see this product actually does sell right here, and the third-party competition's gone down. Looking at the Keep It chart right here, so they're actually sharing the buy box here. So we can see what the deal is. Let's see their website right here. So let's see. So we can subscribe and save. So every month, 22 a piece right here. Is there a Capital One shopping code right here? Welcome 25. Let's add that to cart and see right here. See if that welcome 25 works. This is 5 units. Oh, wow. Okay, so now, see, so now we can pay 91 divided by 5 right here. So 91 divided by 5 right here. Times 3 right there. Okay, so we're still losing 12%, so we're passing on that. Right there, let's see, 95 right here. Let's give this a quick Google right here. 51. 51 right here. 30. So this is 15. Yeah, so see how, so let's see, 15. 30 G's here though is, let's see, too expensive. All right, no problem. Let's see. So I'm looking for some big branded products too. It's like a lot of these brands I didn't really recognize, like Sure, obviously Sephora I recognize, Thrive we made money on. It's a good idea when you see stuff like this that are brands you don't recognize, but like we can see this Merle Norman thing, for example. We can go join the email newsletter on websites like this, so they notify us when they have site-wide sales going on, because a brand like this, if we Google it right here, it probably isn't being carried on tons of retailers, for example. So we can see this actually pretty close to being profitable right here, right? Like actually surprised. I guess let's see, 1.75 ounce. Yeah, exactly. So like that's 1.75, so it's 18. Right, so we plug in 18. Right here, we can see we're just about a 13% ROI right here. But what I was saying, on the smaller websites, you want to join their email newsletter so that they notify you when they have big sales going on. So for example, say this website, and the rank's a little bit high on this, but it's fine right here, because we can see on Keepa that the price is pretty stable. Right here, competition's shooting up though, but this is just for example purposes. Say they had 25% off site-wide, so we multiply this by 0.75. Now this became a very good product right here, right? But say we look at 18 right here. If they have any sort of coupon, we're good to go. Right here, let's see. Honey 15. So let's see it. See, let's say Honey 15 works. They might have like an email newsletter coupon down. Yeah, here we go. 15% off your next order. Right here. So now, right, we take this from 18 and then we take off 15%. Right here. So now, after sales tax, product costs, and shipping costs, we got a nice $5 profit right there. And all we did was look inside the seller storefront, right? Locate this product, find this product on the website, and then utilize a coupon, right? Which we can get just by staying curious, looking on the website right there. And now we end up finding a nice profitable product right here. And that's another winner. So you can see reverse sourcing super works, right? As we can click around on this stuff. See, let's see, these are $28 right here. So we want to look these guys up, and we know we have 20% off right here. So let's see, we pay about 17. Listed at 28, that's not going to work right there. 33, 19, light dark blonde right here. Let's look this up right here. So we got, 23, and then we have that 20% off right? So 23, buy box in at 33 right here. So 23, take off that right there, buy box at 33 right there. Now we got about $5 profit and about a 30% ROI. And the nice thing too is we can see the dimensions on SellerAmp right here, about 0.64 ounces right here. So this is super small, so it's really easy to ship to. Obviously, I already have shipping costs factored in on SellerAmp on the back end right there, but now we get $5 profit as well. So that's how you guys can find a lot of money reverse sourcing. It all comes down to locating fast selling products via reverse sourcing and then using Capital One Shopping, Be Frugal, Top Cashback, and Rakuten to find those coupons on these websites, and just digging around on the websites as well. Like we can see bottom left here, we can get 10% off. Not as good as 20% off with Capital One Shopping, but the coupon codes are the name of the game right here. So Storefront Stocking, super powerful. You can look at all the products we've seen in this video, Storefront Stock of those, to find more winning products. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Get a free trial at selleramp.com, and we'll see you in the next one.